guys, welcome to another episode of the True Crafting Crew. Today we will be making a tutu for Sky's 8th birthday. In order to make a tutu, this is a very simple process. You only need a couple things. One being elastic, two being a piece of cardboard or something straight, your tool, some scissors, and maybe a tape measure. So let's get started. The first thing I want to talk about is our elastic. I use this thin elastic. You can use a thicker type of elastic, or you can also use like a headband or something if you're doing it for a baby. But if you're doing it for an adult, I would suggest using a piece of elastic. That way you can measure their waist and make it to fit them. This piece I cut out. I've already cut and I've sewn it together with our sewing machine. So what we're gonna do with the elastic is wrap it around a bottle, like so. Boom, boom. And then I'm gonna move this out the way. The next thing that I'm going to do is cut our tool. This is glitter tool. Y'all can't see, but I have a plastic bag covering the table because this glitter tool gets glitter everywhere. But Sky likes shiny things, so I didn't want to just do a regular plain tutu with just regular tool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to wrap the tool around this flat envelope. The envelope is 11 inches long. So, let me do this so y'all can see. I measured out the envelope so it's 11 inches long. 11 inches one way, and I'm gonna double it up so it's gonna be 22 inches of tool. So I have one pre-cut so y'all can kind of see. This is one piece, which is 22 inches. Folded in half. Oops. Folded in half is 11 inches. And see? So that's 11 inches. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna show you how to cut this pretty swiftly, pretty fast. We'll take our envelope, which is measured at 11 inches, like I stated, and we'll fold one time over. One complete side. A little bit of tulle on this side, a little bit of tulle on this side is one cut. So I know my envelope is faced down this way, that's one. So once that envelope faced down again, that would be two. So that's two pieces. I need 24 of these for our tutu, 24 of each color, 24 pink, 24 turquoise, and 24 black. Once I get those all rolled up, I'll show y'all how to cut them. All right, guys, so now that I have that all rolled around, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the tool at this end. And then I am going to do one more cut. I'm gonna put my scissors in between that, and I'm gonna just cut that across. And try to get it as straight as you can. And that'll give you your 24 sheets. And I'm gonna repeat that process for the teal and the black. Okay, guys, now that we have our tool all cut out, we have the 3 different piles of all of our tool. We're gonna take 3 pieces of tulle. It depends on how you want your design to look, how you want your tutu to look. I think that the way that I'm going to do this is to do all my 3 pieces one color, but this looks really pretty too if you want your tutu to have like a mixture look. I'm gonna do it this way too, so just so you can see how it's gonna look. I'll put the 3 pieces together, fold them in half, and you see how that makes a nice rainbow look for a tutu. I'm not gonna do mine like this. I'm gonna do mine all colors, but I'm gonna show y'all how it looks on. So we'll get our jug or whatever you want to use that's thick, and you'll fold this in half, and then you'll have a, hold on, let me see, make sure they're even too. And you want a loop here. You see that loop? You're gonna put that loop up under the band. See that? And then you're gonna push the whole thing, whole bottom through. And then pull. And that's gonna give you your first piece. And then you're gonna repeat the process all the way around. But I'm not gonna do mine like this. I'm gonna do mine all solid colors. So let's do it like I'ma do it. Let's do it like I'ma do it. It's gonna be cute at the end. Watch. Y'all gonna be like, oh, making a tutu is this easy? Yes, making a tutu is this easy. Y'all be paying people to make tutus. No need to pay for a tutu any longer, people. No more. No more pay. So, give me 3 pieces of pink. 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces of pink. Fold them in half so that they're even. Put it up under that bottom. See that loop? And push it through. This is how I'm gonna do mine. And after I do the pink, I'm gonna do the teal or the turquoise color. I really don't know what color this is. One thing that I bought said turquoise, the other one said teal. So, and they was the same color, so I don't know. Fold it in half. Flip it under. And voila. You want to pull that kind of tight. Make sure it doesn't move. See? And then I'm going to do a black. 3 black. 1, 2, 3. Fold them in half. The exact same. The exact same thing. And I'm doing this on this side so that y'all can see. Because usually I would do this right in front of me. How to make a tutu 101. 101 tutuing. What we do for our children though. Y'all see that? Isn't that cute? This is going to be so hot. So now I'm going to fast forward through the whole thing so y'all can see what the final product look like. Okay, crew, we're doing our last piece of the tutu. Putting this last pieces together. We're gonna fold them in half once again. Make the knot, make that loop, and then we're gonna go through the loop. So put this last one in, and we are finished with Sky's beautiful tutu. It turned out amazing. This is a no-sew tutu. One of my assistants that works here in the store, Marie, she said that she used to always sew her tutus, and I've never sewn a tutu. I've always done it this way. So she said that she helped me do it, and she said that it was way easier than sewing. So this is what y'all have to look forward to. It's turned out really good. If you want, you can try to fluff it out, but I kind of like mine to be flat. So however Sky wants to do this is how we gonna have it. Like, share, subscribe. See you guys later. Tune into our next episode, True Crew. And it's gonna be making a TikTok shirt to match our party skirt. See y'all later.